Hey everyone, my name is 𝗠𝗨𝗪𝗀. I'm actually the BMW Genius here at BMW of Macon. And today what we're going to talk about is key fob hacks on the BMW. So the car we're going to talk about right here is a 2024 BMW Z4 𝗀𝗪𝗪. One of my favorite hacks on the car is you don't have to be sitting inside the car to put the top down. If you see with the key, you can press and hold the unlock button. If you hold it close, rolls down the windows first, and then as you can see, it puts the top down without someone having to be right on the inside. The longer you hold it, it finishes up its full sequence. The other thing that I really like about the BMW Z4 is if you hit the lock button, which come on over here, if you hit the lock button where it's flashing red, if you hit that another time, the red light stays on. What it does is it deactivates the motion sensor inside of the vehicle. Most BMWs from 2002 on up actually have this feature. So what that means is if you were driving to the grocery store and you left your top down with all the windows and someone tried reaching in, it would actually set off the alarm from the inside. The other cool thing is BMWs now have a remote start. So unlike most typical cars where they have a specific button, the lock button, which is the BMW roundel, is the start button for the car. So you would hit it 3 times. So we're gonna step back here if you can. And we're gonna hit this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The lights will flash after a couple seconds. And then the car will run for exactly 15 minutes. Okay, now you take your key fob and hold it up to the right side of the steering column, even with no battery. Hold on a second. The vehicle will always start. So if you're ever in a situation where your battery dies, you're still able to get inside of the vehicle. And as long as you take it and hold it up to the right side of the steering column on any BMW, you will always be able to go ahead and start it. And it has a picture of a key fob right there. So that's one way that you could always turn on the vehicle. So you're never in a situation where you're going to be stuck because you can't crank on your car. Last but not least, putting the top up is with the lock button. As long as you're within close proximity, you can press and hold the lock button. It folds the mirrors in and then puts the top up. And once the top's up and clicked into place, it'll do the windows last. Yep. And that's it.